This is Crystal, and we're increasing decimal points in Excel. In Excel, you can have up to 64 decimal points. Wow. I know, most of the time you want 2. If it's currency, you might want a couple of more. So actually, let's go to Excel. And here is a number right here. It only has 2 decimal points, but I want to increase it to, let's say, 4. So I make sure it is selected. And then in the Home tab, in the number group, here's icons where I can increase the decimal or even decrease the decimal. I want to increase it, so I just click on the number of decimal points I'd like. So I just want 2 more. Press it twice. There it is. So there you go, increasing decimal points in Excel. This is Crystal. See you soon.